Here's the paperwork and the warranty box that the new car cover came in with all the paperwork from the original one when I bought it. So here's the warranty on this car cover. I have this truck, don't drive it very much. In 2014, I bought a 10-year warranty on it, and this is what it looks like now. What they will do before they warranty a new one, they will send you these patches, and you cut to shape, and what you see, none on my truck, because they will not stay on there after about a month. So this truck stays pretty much covered year round, and we'll walk around. I try to keep it steady, but we're walking, so get over it. And there's some rips. It's basically real thin. This is supposed to be a 10-year cover. There's a nice rip right there. And it's about to fall apart. It's so thin. Some down on the bottom. And you have mildew. You can see the little bitty pieces if you look at it. Down through here, here. All this is, if I pulled on it real hard, it'll rip. It's ripped up on top of the, this from all the mildew, black dew they call it. But it lasted 6 years. And then I filed for warranty, and it took me 3 months, right around 3 months, to get the going through all their warranty department, took pictures. I have all the paperwork since this is my second one. And what they did, they wound up offering me to upgrade to their finest car cover for another $17. Or they would just ship me back the same one at a $10 shipping cost. So instead I just upgraded to the new one, and as you saw in the box, that was a new one, and I'm gonna be using that one, and this old one's going in the garbage right where it belongs. So I hope this kind of gives you an idea of how long these car covers last. I live in Texas, so it does get hot. Thanks.